Video, I'm going to show you how I had my broken windshield replaced. Checking all of my local glass shops for an estimate to get the glass replaced, I was surprised to find out that none of the shops wanted to touch my car. By making some phone calls, I found a mobile shop who traveled about 110 miles one way just to replace my cracked windshield, with the condition that I remove the panels all the way to the glass before he shows up. It took me literally more than 40 minutes just to figure out how to take off just one panel from the car. Everything is held in place by clips and just 4 bolts on each side. Once you disassemble one side, it is pretty easy to do the other. To have more flexibility, I decided to remove 3 bolts holding the top section of the fender. windshield wiper on, but using a puller it worked flawlessly. The camera does not need to be recalibrated, as most of the shops were turning me down because they didn't have the equipment to do so. Reinstalling everything in reverse is a challenge, but at the end, everything turns out great. Thank you for watching, and make sure to give a big thumbs up.